Assalamu alaikum KG1. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So today we are finishing with our session. This is our last slides. Now we are going to start the review of the year for maths. So here is your review. First you will see numbers, then data handling, then addition and subtraction. So these are the 4 areas we have covered in the whole year. We had finished all these areas. Now we are going to start with numbers. Now we are going to start with the numbers here. Let's see. Here are the numbers and your objectives are you're going to write in sequence 1 to 10 and join the dots. Then next you will make a number bond. Next you will identify the numbers. So these you are going to do in numbers. So next comes here is your data handling. In data handling, you will be able to identify the shapes and then describe. Next, sort different objects by shape, size and color. Next, you will create the pattern. So this is all in the data handling. Now you will see the next, that is addition. So here is addition. What did we do in addition in the whole year? That you will identify the plus and equal to signs and use these to read and solve simple addition sums. So we had finished in the whole year in the first term, second term and third term. So here is your subtraction. What did we do in subtraction? You will be able to identify minus and equals to signs and use these to read and solve the simple subtraction sums. So this also we had finished in the whole year. Now we'll start with the numbers. So here we are going to do sequencing. You all know how to do sequencing now. So we'll start with the sequencing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we had already finished this in sequencing. You know how to sequence the numbers now from 1 to 10. That's great. Now next, we'll start with the number bonds. Now let's see how did we finish with the number bonds. Did you remember? Now first we'll see the whole number. What is the whole number here? And then we'll split this whole number into 2 different numbers. So let's see what is the whole number here. It's 6 here. So now you have to split this 6 into 2 numbers, smaller numbers. So how will you split this? You can split 4, 2 or you can split 3 and 3. Now let's see. This is the 6 here. So how many counters will take over here? We'll take 6 counter. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now you can split in 2 different numbers. So we'll check what is the number here. Oh, what number is here? This is number 4. So what will be the next number here? So to find it out, again we'll use the 4 different counters and whatever will be remaining counters are here, that will be your answer. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So out of 6, 4 counters are here. How many are remaining now? 2. So this 2 is your answer. I hope you all have understood this. This is the one way of doing number bonds. Now we will see the other way of number bond. Here is the next one. So let's begin. Now you will get two numbers. This one is 5. And how many counters we have here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, see the next number. What number is this? This is number 2. So how many counters are you going to take here? 2 counters. So 1, 2. So here are 5 blue counters and 2 pink counters. Now let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that's great. So what will be the whole number here? 7. So 5 and 2 makes 7. That's good. Now we'll go for the next. Now here again, you're going to do the sequencing and then join the dots. You all know the sequencing now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Oh no! What comes after 7? 8, 9 and number 10. So let's begin joining the dots. So you'll start from 1 to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then join with 6, then 7, then you will join with number 8. After 8 you will join with number 9, and 9, then 10. Great. So you have joined the dots in sequence. This is also called sequencing. Now next, count and write. We had already finished with count and write. What are we going to do now? You will count the objects here and then write the correct answer. Let's count the object. Let's see what is the first one. Oh wow, it's a butterfly. So let's count the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Now what are we going to write here? Number 5. Okay, well done. Now next, we'll see the next object here. What is here this? This is flower. So count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is your answer now? What are you supposed to write here? Number 6. Wow, bravo. That's great. Now we are going to do the next one. Here is your pattern. Pattern comes in the data handling. Okay. So here is a pattern. Let's see what is the first pattern here. Diamond, circle, triangle. So how you are going to complete this? Again, diamond, circle, triangle. Let's begin. First is diamond, circle, and then triangle. Well done. Now what are you going to do here? You will see again the next pattern here and follow the same pattern. So what is the first one here? Square. So what will come first? Square. Then what is the next one? Heart. Next will come heart. Very good. What is the last one here? This is a star. So you're going to draw the star. Very good. So in this way, you'll have to create a pattern. After finishing the pattern, let's see the next. What is here? Sorting. How are you going to sort? You can see all the happy faces and the heart. And here in these two shapes, you're going to sort as happy face and the heart. So all the happy face will come over here and the hearts will come over here. You cannot put the heart here. If you will make heart here, it's wrong. So you have to sort accordingly. So here will come happy face and here heart. Let's begin. Heart. It will come here. Very good. Next is a happy face. Let's see. What will come? Where it will come? Oh yes, here. So this is your happy face. Now next heart again this side. Then happy face. Two happy faces are there. So you're going to put here 1 and 2. Wow, that's great. After this is a heart. Where the heart will go? Okay, here. Very good. Next is happy face. Well done. So you all have understood now. Heart here. Happy face in this shape. Very nice. And the last one. Wow, that's great. So you have understood the sorting now. Now next is addition. You all know the addition now. You know what is the sign for addition? What is the sign? First, let's see the sum. What is the sum here? Oh, here is the sum. 5 plus 3 is equal to, what comes here? Now, plus is the sign for addition. Very good. Now, first, what are we supposed to do? We'll take 5 objects here and 3 objects here. Then count all together. That's great. Let's begin. Wow, here is a car. So, how many cars should come here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow. So here is a number 5 and you have 5 cards over here. Now how many cards will come here? 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now in addition, what are you supposed to do? You're going to count all these cards together. Okay? So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is your answer? 8. Well done. Now let's begin with the next one. What is here? Now here it is a subtraction. What is a subtraction means? What is the sign for subtraction? Minus. So first let's see the sum. What is the sum? 10 minus 4. So minus means you will take away 4 objects. Now let's see what is the object here. So let's begin. Oh, here is a bird. Let's count the birds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, we have counted correctly. Now you have to take away 4. How many you will take away? 4, because it is minus 4. So shall we begin? Yes. 1. We have cancelled 1. 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great. So we have taken away 4. Now how many are remaining? That will be your answer. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are here? 6. So this is your answer. Wow, great. We have finished with subtraction also. Hope you all have understood subtraction. Now, next. Now we are going to start with assessment. In assessment, we had finished everything here. Hope you all have understood the subtraction, addition, data handling and numbers. So we are going to start with a small assessment. Let's begin. First is here number, write in sequence. So you have to write 1 to 10 in sequence. You all know how to do sequencing. In the same way, again you will do the sequencing in the form of join the dots. So you know how to start with. You will start with number 1 and finish at number 10. You will join the dots here. Now after finishing that, you have to do sequencing. In this sequencing, you will write the missing numbers. So you all know how to do missing numbers and how to write missing numbers. Now, after finishing numbers, you will make the number bond. So in first, you got the whole number and you have to split into 2. But you got the pictures also. So here is already 2. What will come here that you will write. Again, you have to split this number 7 in 2 numbers. One is here. What will come here? Draw the objects and finish. Next, your 2 numbers are here and you have to form the whole number. So how you are going to finish this? Draw the objects and then count together and write here. Nice. Now next is count and write. In count and write, what will you do? Count the objects correctly and write the answer in the box. Here also again you will count the objects correctly and write. Next is you will identify the numbers. You know how to identify the numbers. See this number and this number. What number is this? You have to identify and color the objects accordingly. After finishing this, here is the next identification. Identify the number and draw. You have to identify this number and draw the objects here. Objects will be according to your choice. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw. Here also you have to identify the number and draw objects. Once you finish this, we'll come to data handling. In the data handling, you will draw a triangle and a square. So you will draw here triangle and square. After finishing this, you will complete the pattern. You know how to complete the pattern. The first is square, triangle, square, and you will draw. Now next, in the same way here also you will complete the pattern. Next is also same. You have to complete the pattern over here. Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Next, what will come here? Now next, here also you have to complete the pattern, but you will get 2 patterns here. Then you have to draw what will come here. After finishing this, we'll go to next. Oh, what is here now? Now you have to sort the objects. Now here you are going to sort by color. What is this? Triangle. So find out all the triangles from here and color green. Very good. Then next, find out the square and color blue. After finishing this, you have to circle only the triangle because you are sorting by shape. So you will find out the triangle over here and circle it. Once you finish this, here are big teddy bears and the small teddy bears. So what are you going to do? Circle only the bigger teddy bears. So wherever you'll find out the big teddy bears, you will circle it. After this, you will get addition here. First, how will you add? Count all this together and add and write your answer. Next, you will complete the addition here. Next, draw objects and add. Next is subtraction. Very good. So what are you going to do here? 5 minus 3, you will subtract. Then see the correct answer, circle here and write your answer here. After finishing this, you will subtract the next question, and in the last one, you're going to draw objects and subtract. So here comes the end of the assessment. So here we had finished with our session. Hope you all have understood all the areas in math, and you will continue with the next year inshallah. So thank you so much and goodbye.